Good evening, everybody. It's time again for the Tricktrades video watch list for June 26th, Monday. There's going to be quite a few plays on this just because of the biotechs running up. So I'm basically what I'm going to do here on this one, because you can see there's quite a few names on here. I'm going to only go through the names that I have flagged. Those are going to be my main watches, and then posted in the watch list section. I'll have a snapshot of this. So, and then you can kind of go through it. You'll see, because a lot of these are just biotechs, MYGN, EXEL, OMER, ABEO. They're all just biotechs that have run up, and they're not my main watches, but I do want to keep an eye on them. So we'll get into it here. RWLK. It's a really shitty company. They've come out with some news about a soft shell exoskeleton to help people walk, as well as for military purposes. Volumes come in. It has quite a bit of volume, but that's a big gain on this, right? So I'm expecting a day like this tomorrow. You know, like we probably catch. Let's see here. I don't know, about 30 cents, right? Which is a big percentage gain on this. So I'm looking forward to that. We'll take a look, right? Cool. This is my absolute main watch. This is a biotech that's running up on Sector News. They had some other bullshit kind of PR come out. That's really not a big deal. I am expecting a pullback. It kind of tapped this 29 area and then pulled back on Friday. So I'm expecting a red day tomorrow, and I will be watching this first thing in the morning. I will be getting my shares together. IDRA. I'm a little long biased on this one. It's you can tell here if I draw a trend line. Draw a half-ass trend line here. You know, it's on an uptrend. It's made a higher low, and now it's coming up. So there is a potential for it to make a higher high. So it closed really strong. You can tell by the daily candle, it closed strong. It closed on highs. So I'm going to be watching this long for the $2 break first thing in the morning. I've got a few first thing in the morning plays, so I'm going to be busy. NK, this looks like it's going to continue up. It kind of popped, pulled back, and now bounced right off the 5 EMA. This 5 EMA is very critical in daily watch lists or daily chart movement. It's very important. It's used by a lot of swing traders to make sure it's following trend. As long as it holds the 5 EMA, it's considered very, very bullish. So it's something new that I'm trying out. So I'm going to look for the 750 break on that. Dvax, our old friend Dvax. If you look at this, it tapped 10 and pulled on Thursday. So Friday it couldn't quite make it, and it closed right about at 10. Actually, I believe it tapped 10. Let's see here. Yeah, it basically tapped 10 and then pulled back. So I'm going to be watching short on this. We've got quite a few days running up. It's also a biotech, and I'm expecting biotechs to pull tomorrow. I have been saying that for a little while, for the past few days, but it's inevitable there will be a pullback. But that being said, if it doesn't pull and it breaks this 10 with authority, I'm going to look for a pullback to support, which would be about the 10 area, see if it holds, and then I will go long if this 10 does not tap and then break. CVNA, this is a fundamental play I've been working on. I've been doing a lot of research on it, and there should be a run up in price until Friday, and on Friday there will be a big dump. Do your own research, check into it, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. The power of information is huge, and this information in particular on CVNA is a fundamental short play, and I'm very excited to see what it does, because I believe they're going to ramp this price up until Friday, and should reach about the $25 level, and it's going to pull back hard. Look at TWLO, okay, in late September. This is the same play. So that's about it. Oh, I will go over one more. TCCO. This is a piece of shit company. A piece of shit. And it is ramped up, even gapped up and gained. I don't care what the fucking news is. It's garbage. It's on very low volume. Regardless, I'm looking for a short. I want this to get some sort of PR piece first thing in the morning. And if it does, and it gaps huge, I am going to short the living shit out of it. So, that's what I'm looking for, guys and girls. So I hope you enjoyed the Trick Trades watch list for June 26th. I'm pumped. I cannot wait till tomorrow. It's going to be a huge week. We had a massive success with Tim Grattani coming in, thanks to Leslie. She brought him in, and thanks to Nico as well. He worked on the editing of the webinar, and he did a fucking amazing job. I mean, the guy's awesome. I mean, I'm so happy he's kind of joined our room as a moderator, and I know I've got big plans for him, and I hope he's game for him, because I think he's one of a kind, this guy. So anyways, enough with me rambling. I'm just really excited for tomorrow. But I will see you bright and early in the Trick Trades chat room. Later, lads and lasses.